Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, I am happy to share with you my ecstasy here. The reason is, our favorite Zach Brown brand has been nominated for Vocal Group of the Year at CMA Awards. Dear Zach, congrats to you on your meritorious success. We, your ardent fans, wish you all the best. By the way, here I am singing my song on Learning English with your tune, Island Song. Everybody can English as and how they wanna learn. All is possible, come and speak along with me. Walking with the text to speech, speech to the text. Grammatical stand needs a concentration, pronunciation flow, wake up practice. I'm gonna read and speak as you want. If you really wanna be as good as a troller, maybe that's sharing. Nothing is impossible, nothing is impossible. You should.
Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.